What's going on out here? Apparently everyone loves a fresh towel. Yeah. Is that your new towel? Did you just get laid down? Yeah. I missed the cute part. Charlie was flipping around. Went crazy on it. Oh, that's a fresh one too. You can't fit on that one, Charlie. Everybody just woke up from a nap. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You better get that fresh towel, Charlie. Oh, yeah. Charlie slept for over 2 hours solid. Puddy was too concerned about what Charlie might be doing that she'd be missing out on, so she didn't sleep very good. So Puddy's tired, Charlie's wide awake. Puddy suffers from FOMO. Big time. Uh-oh. What are you going to do now? You can't even see her. No, Charlie. Everybody can't get up over here on me. You can't. You're gonna have to stay over there. I can only hold one, the small one. Okay? Charlie, your mommy says she misses you so much. So much. Yeah. What are you doing? You trying to get me? What's happening with you two? Everybody just woke up? Yeah, thank you. You girls are so cute. What a pretty girl.